Good morning. I am having my coffee as usual, and I'm just going to bring you along on what I eat today, the day after I ended my Keto Chow challenge. I'm having my coffee with MCT oil powder as usual.
Ketones are 1.1 millimoles per liter.
Still got some high ketones, so my steak didn't kick me too far out of ketosis. Very happy about that. We'll see how long I can maintain my little bit higher ketone levels. We have kind of a fun day planned. We're actually headed out to go cherry picking with some friends. I don't think we've ever been you-pick cherry picking before, so it'll be kind of a fun experience. And I do have an extra child today. My niece is spent the last couple of nights with us, and so if you happen to see an extra child that you don't recognize, I did not have another baby. That's my niece. I have not eaten anything yet today. All I've had is my coffee, and I'm not feeling very hungry. Once I get my ketones up to this like 1.0 and above level, it does really suppress the hunger like ketones are supposed to. So I'll probably whip something up real quick before we leave, and I'll either eat it if I feel hungry enough to eat it before we leave, or I'll just bring it with us so that I can have it if I need it. Anyways, so that's the plan for the day, and we'll bring you cherry picking. That'll be exciting. I am gonna mix up some electrolytes to take in the car. I'm gonna do citrus salt today. I figured this would be easy to eat on the go. I just have some egg white bread. Oh, I gotta flip it, it's getting brown. Egg white bread browns faster than regular bread, so you gotta be careful about that. So I have 3 eggs cooked in a tablespoon of butter and a slice of cheese, and then this is my butter bread, the yeasted frozen shredded butter bread. Fantastic. And that'll be easy to eat on the go.
There comes my first cherry.
Ooh, nice. These ones look so dark. Try to pick them, hey Levi, try to pick them with the stem still on, like this.
Oh.
So it still has the stem on.
Why?
Because they'll last longer.
Oh no.
Nice job. Oh yeah, get them. You got a lot of cherries, though?
Oh, a lot of cherries. They taste so good.
Oh my goodness, you've gotten so many.
Because there's a lot of them.
Oh, you want to go back over there for more?
No.
No?
These.
Okay, grab those.
That's a lot of yellow cherries.
So many.
I have 1,000.
1,000 cherries?
I have a 100,000 cherries.
100,000? How are you going to eat all of them?
I'm not gonna eat all of them.
Oh, you're not? That's a good idea. And share them probably?
Yeah, also with my mom and my dad, Jimmy.
I think Jimmy will love them. Like 100? There's probably at least 100. I think there's 100 cherry trees, and there's at least 1 cherry on each tree, so I'd say there's more than 100 cherries. Do you guys want to walk to the end to see the view? Let's walk this way. Oh my goodness. Look, Levi, look at how beautiful. I know, but we gotta stop picking or else we'll have cherries up to our eyeballs. Oh, there's the forest fire over there. That is sad. Look at all of them.
Can you
Just look at all of them.
can we do an apple cherries?
You want to pick more? We have so many cherries already. Oh my goodness, look at that.
Look at that big chunk up there.
That is amazing. Is there a big chunk? There's so many big chunks.
Two.
Look at all.
I got one.
These are smaller. I bet they're a different variety.
This one is like fire.
There's helicopters dropping water on them right
I
now.
have flame.
Yeah, did you see flame?
There it is.
Helicopter scooping up water.
Yeah.
Oh,
Helicopters are scooping up the
I
water.
Wow.
I see one of them.
I got it. Oh, and there's the other two back there.
Wow, that's so big.
Running through the drive-thru at Starbucks on the way home.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get going for you today?
Yeah, can I get a grande cold brew with some heavy creams?
Absolutely.
And that's it.
All right, we'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you.
Judy, are you happy that I got my first loose too?
Yeah, that's great.
So cool, Levi.
I only have a few left.
Yeah.
That's
I
that.
might
lost
have like
most of 'em.
two in the back.
Thank you so much.
Is
You too.
And by the way, Mom, I forgot to tell you I also.
that cold?
You have another loose tooth?
Wait,
Wow.
yours is cold?
Yeah, I got a cold brew. Yum. We made it home from cherry picking, and then I had to go meet my brother halfway to bring my niece home, and we arranged it to be at Costco because I like to go to this Costco that is farther away from my house, but it's got a bigger parking lot and it's not as busy usually. So we're here doing a little bit of Costco shopping. Not enough to do a whole like big long Costco haul. Should be pretty minimal, but we'll do a little mini Costco haul in this vlog. Who do I have? Renee is my helper. She came to keep her cousin company on the ride and to help me at Costco, of course. Oh, I have a set of these. They're pretty nice, and I think they would work great for keto chow too, where you could organize the packets. These are cute. Wow, and they feel nice too. Oh, those are so cute. I love them, but I don't need them. I just don't. They changed the packaging on our favorite hot dogs, or Polish sausages. They really have a lot of options for like snacky keto stuff, like cheese and salami, these roll-ups with cheese and different meats, cheddar with the meat sticks, just a lot of different options like that. A lot of good processed meats. Ooh, smoked wild salmon. That looks good. This looks good. Citrus teriyaki style glaze. I've had Kevin's stuff before, and it's usually pretty good. Let's see.
Are you gonna get it?
Probably not, but I'm just looking at it. Let's see. Includes 5 grams of added sugar. It looks tasty though.
Right?
This is really good. I forget if there's added sugar. Total sugar includes 1 gram of added sugar, but still pretty minimal. That one's really good.
This looks good.
Yeah, that does look good. This one looks yummy too. 3 grams of added sugar, 16 grams of carbs per serving. Ooh. The almond flour tortillas.
What?
Have you tried them before?
No. Chip.
These are really good for like the convenience, although they are super easy to make. So if you do have the time to make them, they're very easy. I do have a video on that for the Instant Pot. I'll link that up in the cards. But for the convenience, these are really, really good.
Oh.
What is it?
Watermelon sauce.
Nice. I've been making so many keto chows with butter that I'm running low on butter. I'm gonna grab one of these. Actually, I might grab 2 of these just to be safe. And I'm gonna grab 2 of the fancy butters. The last Waterloo. I think we better get it. All right, look at this Chomps variety. I got these ones last time. Those are the original. They also have the turkey ones. I don't really care for the turkey ones, but I love that they have the variety. Very nice. This is a new one with hardwood smoked flavor, wood-fired garlic, salt, dehydrated garlic, onion, spices, chili pepper, paprika, rice concentrate, natural flavor, sunflower oil. If I didn't have so many seasonings that are delicious already, I would go for it. What is that? You love seaweed. So you don't like cherries and you don't like strawberries, but you like seaweed. All right, I got it. Okay, this looks good. I wonder how much sugar is in it. Korean barbecue sauce and marinade. 3 grams of sugar. Per 1 tablespoon, or 3 grams of carbs per 1 tablespoon. That's a pretty small serving. I think I'm still going to get it because I have a feeling it's going to be delicious and a lot of people will like it. So when we were at the cherry orchard, I ate 4 cherries. That was how much I decided to eat. I enjoyed them and I was done. And then I had the coffee, but I have not had a meal since breakfast. And my hunger was very controlled throughout the day, so I've been feeling great. But it is about 5:45 now, and I am very hungry. So Renee and I are going to grab some dinner. We are going to our favorite, absolute favorite burger place here in town called Killer Burger. And I'll show you what I get. Killer Burger. So they have lots of good burgers, but the one that is probably my favorite is the Tima burger. That is blue cheese, bacon, pickles, grilled onions. So I got a double. And one of the amazing things about their burgers is that they do fondue, cheese fondue. So it has a blue cheese fondue as well as blue cheese crumbles. So good. It's messy and greasy and drippy. Oh, but it's so good. One more stop before we head home. The Killer Burger is right across the street from Fred Meyer, and we just got 32 pounds of cherries today. I did not intend to get that many, but it was so easy to pick them that's how many we ended up with. So we are going to head into Fred Meyer and see if we can find a cherry pitter so that we can freeze some of them. Since we're here, we got to pick up the deals. $4.97 a pound ribeye steaks. Let's see, is it limit 2? That's what it was. All right, let's see, which ones do we want? Those ones look pretty good. Ooh, that one has a ton of fat. Guess we'll do this one. Well, I think that should do the trick. We'll take it. Hello, chicken. Charity's tomato plants. Got a bunch of tomatoes on it. That's exciting. Levi's just got some flowers so far. That's also exciting. What you doing, Levi?
I found a spider on a leaf.
You found a spider on a leaf.
Yeah, it's under.
All right.
Hey, baby.
Goats are having free time. All 5 right here. Look at that. Who's that?
I don't know its name.
It doesn't have a name. Is that one of the newer chickens? I think it is.
So.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna name it.
Okay.
Probably. What is a food that is red and orange?
Red and orange.
Or red and
some
brown.
kind of an apple, or some kind of a toast.
Maybe toast with jelly on it. Like.
Toast with jelly.
Yep. Or his name is just Toast.
Or you could just name it Jam.
It's Toast. Yeah. Toast.
Who do you have?
Snickers.
Snickers?
Yeah.
You're gonna name it Snickers. It doesn't look very comfortable the way you're holding it.
Like he's laying down.
It's a girl. It's not fighting you though, so that's good. Good chicken. Good chicken.
It's
Here's how my calories and macros landed for the day. I got 1,744 calories. I got 90.8 grams of protein, which is on the lower end for me when I'm not actively trying to have a little bit lower protein day, like a more ketogenic day. So that was kind of interesting. It's probably just because I didn't really have a lunch. I just had a breakfast and a dinner just because of the way the day worked out. That was 21.2% of my calories from protein. And then I got 138.4 grams of fat. That was 72.8% of my calories. And I got 25.8 total carbs and 22.5 net carbs. And that came into 6% of my calories for the day. Then here is a graph of my blood sugar throughout the entire day. My first meal breakfast, that sandwich, it kept me so full for so long. I'm definitely going to be using that meal more just because of how well it controlled my hunger for the day. But I started with a blood sugar of 85, peaked at a blood sugar of 86, and then 2 hours later had a blood sugar of 79. So perfectly blood sugar friendly for me. My snack of 4 cherries started with a blood sugar of 79, peaked at 97, and then had a blood sugar of 86 2 hours later. So that was the only thing I got less than a perfect score of 10 on. Got a score of 9, which still isn't too bad. My cold brew coffee with heavy cream started with a blood sugar of 77, peaked at 81, and then had a blood sugar of 75 2 hours later. So again, beautiful blood sugar response. And dinner, blood sugar started at 73, peaked at 76. So only a 3-point rise. That is beautiful. And then 2 hours later had a blood sugar of 69. So that meal was very high fat and also very, very blood sugar friendly. You can see my average blood sugar here for the day was 79, which is really good. When I'm doing one of my challenges, like an egg fast or something where I have my protein a little bit lower, my fat a little bit higher, trying to do a more ketogenic day, I can get my blood sugar into that 70s range. And so for a day where I wasn't on a challenge, just eating as I wanted to eat throughout the day, keeping my blood sugar in that 70s range for an average was really, really good. I was very happy with that. Then the next morning, I checked my ketones at my normal time. I just have one specific time during the day where I check them so I can compare from day to day. And my ketones were the highest I've seen them since the egg fast, I think. So the ketone bump from the Keto Chow Challenge has continued on, and the way I ate in this video continued to keep my ketones going, so very, very happy with that. Since I don't have a CKM at the moment, I'm using my ForaCare blood ketone monitor, which is really great for like those, you know, little pictures throughout the day of what your ketones are doing. As always, I will have a link to NutriSense if you're interested in their CGM program. That's what I use for my CGM. I love their app. I love the service that they offer with the dietitians and all of the support and everything like that. So if you're interested in more info about NutriSense, check out the link down below. They do give me a little kickback. Thank you for when I send someone their way. So if you want to support the channel, it's a super easy and free way to do that. You just have to put your email address in for more info, and then they send me that little kickback. Thank you for hanging out with us on this very busy, very fun day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll just see you again in the next one.